Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome back to Moto Rambling.
Hey there, Walt here from Walt NPA, coming to you from the back roads of southeast Pennsylvania, and you're watching Moto Ramblings.
I am on a second part of a little mini adventure, checking out roads that I'm not familiar with on my 2012 VStrom DL 650 named Copper. I am on some dirt roads running I got on a dirt road between Marshall and Hot Springs, North Carolina, off of Route 2570, and I'm trying to find my way. I believe I was on Lookout Mountain Road, and somewhere up here it's supposed to intersect with Hurricane Gap Road in Tennessee. Now, I don't have a map. I looked at one a little bit, but it wasn't a great map. And I came to a fork in the road, and I went right, and the sign said 31, so Forest Service Road 31. I have no idea if this is Hurricane Gap Road, if I'm in Tennessee even, where this road is going to go. I took some video a little bit ago with no audio, just recording some of the road. I'm kind of out here in the woods on a road that in some places is not maintained well at all, and other places it's maintained very well. So I thought, I'll record most of the ride, even if I don't talk or do any vlogging while I'm doing the riding. So this section, I decided to do a little bit of vlogging just because that fork in the road where I went right onto Forest Service 31, it's got me wondering, where am I? Did I go the right way? Am I on some Forest Service road that's going to take me someplace that I don't know? I really don't know if this is the road that I'm looking for, or if it's just another Forest Service road. Either way, it's kind of cool because these are the kind of roads I want to ride this bike on. Well, it's a big rock. And if this is a new road, great. If it's the road I'm looking for, even better. At that fork in the road, there was a real hard left, but I almost got the feeling that would have looped me right back toward Hot Springs. And not sure that's where I wanted to go, so I decided to take this road. So anyway, I'm going to cruise around a little bit and hope that I have enough gas. I looked down at that 3 bars and thought, you dumbass, you should have filled up before you get on dirt roads that you've never been on before. Oh well. Hopefully I'm not going to be out here lost on a Forest Service road when it gets dark and I have no idea where I am. So for now, I'm going to sign off, continue this little mini adventure, cross my fingers, see where I end up. And again, I'll probably do some more recording, video recording, even if I don't do audio, just because you never know what you're going to run into out here. I do live in bear country, and of course there's tons of deer around. So maybe I'll see some wildlife. Of course, we just passed a car. That's usually not a bad sign. Usually means I'm not too far away from a main road or a civilization, or in my case, somewhere where I can get some fuel. But it's also a good thing because if I were to break down, at least I know there's some cars use this road. So let's just keep on cruising. Let the adventure continue. All right, guys. I'm going to sign this one off here. See if I can get my sign off right. I hope everyone can stay well, stay safe, but most of all, I hope y'all can stay happy. Moto Ramblings out.